Mix detergent with toothpaste. You won't believe what will happen. It's incredible. Today, I'm bringing you a trick that's not only super easy, but will blow your mind. Yeah, I know, big promises, but trust me, you'll be amazed when you see the final result. First, grab that liquid detergent you've got lying around. Any brand works, don't worry about price or if it's super fancy. Pour the whole bottle into a bowl, and here's where it gets interesting. We're going to add a generous tablespoon of toothpaste. The brand doesn't matter either. What we care about here is its powerful cleaning ability. Now, while I'm mixing this up, tell me where you're watching from. I love knowing which city or country you're from, and of course, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Carol from Pennsylvania. Thanks for always tuning in. Think about it. Cheap detergent, toothpaste, and boom. You get results like you've been using those expensive cleaners. Next, it's time to add another star ingredient we all know and love, baking soda. Take half a cup of water and mix in a tablespoon of baking soda. This powerhouse not only removes stains, but also disinfects and fights odors. We're going to mix this with the detergent and toothpaste we've already combined, and I promise you, this is where the magic starts. Now, here comes the fun part, putting it to the test. I grabbed a few dirty dishes that needed some serious cleaning, and with just a tiny bit of this mix, I started scrubbing. Right away, I noticed how much foam it created, but the best part was the shine it left on my pots and glasses. Amazing! And yes, in case you're wondering, this trick also works for microwaves, fridges, stovetops, pretty much anywhere in your home.